Sleeping mat mistake, choosing the wrong R value. If your sleeping mat's not insulated enough for the conditions you're camping in, you're going to freeze, no matter how good your sleeping bag is. How to fix it. Do your research before you buy. Match the sleeping mat to the conditions you know you're going to be camping in, and don't guess. Sleeping mat mistake, overinflation. Overinflating your sleeping mat can stop it from supporting you properly, can cause damage to the seams and material, and can increase the risk of puncture. How to fix it. Don't inflate it to the max. Let some air out so it's soft but supportive. It's much more comfortable this way. Sleeping mat mistake, getting your mat dirty. Dirt, sweat, and substances like insect repellent and sunscreen can cause damage to the materials of your mat. And who wants to sleep on a dirty mat anyway? How to fix it. Use a fitted sheet or sleeping bag liner. Using a purpose-built fitted sheet or sleeping bag liner protects your mat, and it also keeps it cleaner. Sleeping mat mistake, storing your sleeping mat compressed. Leaving your sleeping mat tightly rolled up can damage the insulation and lead to weak spots over time. How to fix it. Store it flat or loosely rolled. Store your sleeping mat lying flat or loosely rolled up in a cotton storage sack, and don't forget to leave the valve open.